Hey guys, firstly I want to say congratulations for taking a huge leap of faith in your business and investing in yourself. My name is Candy King. I'm the co-founder of King Code, where we have started developing hybrid templates for people like you who would like a combination of custom code along with templates to make sure that you can edit it yourself and you get those amazing functionalities like a normal custom coded website, super speedy, super fast, beautifully designed and unique. Now, let's just dive right into how to edit your new hybrid template, how to make changes to your online baby. The very first thing that we're going to do is download Google Chrome. Google Chrome is the absolute best browser that you can use to make updates to your website. So go on and make sure you download Google Chrome. It is the best. Then you're going to take the link that we sent you through your email, /update, enter. Then you're going to enter the password that we sent you. That is your unique password. Don't share it with anyone. And it will take you over to a page that looks like this. This is your home page. You can always come back to it in your dashboard, home page. We're going to go through usage, pages, and data. Usage. This is your bandwidth. You probably will never ever need to know or even use this, but this is just how much space your website is taking up on the website, on the internet. Okay, let's dive into pages. You've got 2 pages at the moment, your home page and your media kit, and later on we're going to teach you how to add pages. Your data. We've got 3 things that we can change in terms of data. This is going to be quite fun. Let's head over to general. This is where you're going to learn how to make updates to your logo. This is really important. You don't want to keep the Explore template logo. So you're just going to click on it and you can upload a new file or you can upload an existing file. Your logo alt. This is something really important that you should change. Your logo alt is for visually impaired. It's not something you see, but rather something that you hear. You're going to take this out and put the name of your business, the name of your brand, and I suggest doing that and keeping logo. Your brand name. So this is what you're going to find at the end of the website here. By changing this, your brand name, you change this. You're also going to want to make sure you change it. Now this is something really important. When you change your email address, you're changing the output, where this form is going to send. So make sure that your email address is absolutely correct. Otherwise, your form on your website is not going to be sent to the right email. Your browser tag. So this is important. If you want to have that cute little icon up here, you're going to upload a file and you're going to make sure it is an icon file. Your icon file looks like this. It's called Favy icon, and you can see there it says file type ICO. Make sure that your Fav icon is an ICO file type. You can just Google converting PNG to ICO. Okay. Let's tap in and look at fonts. We have chosen a few fonts here that best work with this template. If you have another font file or another Google font that you would like to use instead, you can contact us, but we highly recommend using one of these fonts that's already installed on the template because these just look the best. So your hero font is this little guy at the top here. That is your hero. You can change the font to any kind of font you want that's already here, and you're going to hit the save button. And it's going to start building your site. It says building, new changes are being processed. And hold on, I don't think it was finished. There you go. All done. Your heading fonts. So your heading fonts are these guys, the main ones over there. We can change it to, let's say, railway. Hit save. Your subheading fonts are these guys. We can also change those just so you can see what we can do. Oh, baby. Okay. That's, you don't want to have so many different fonts. It's best to just keep consistent, but I've given you the option anyways. And you can see the font has changed there. Oh, baby. And the text font is your main body font. This is your text font. Your text font. Let's change it to something that is, which one should we choose? Okay. And it needs to build. Once it's built, we're going to refresh and you'll see all your changes that have been made. Optimizing assets, and let's see here. There you go. Done. Now let's head over to colors. Okay. So you have got so many different options so many different things that you can choose in terms of colors. We always suggest keeping things very consistent. You don't want to mix up your brand. Your hero color, this is your hero. By changing this, you change your hero. Nice pink. Then you've got heading colors. These are, we've gone through headings already. These are your headings over here. And subheadings, you guys remember what that is. That's these guys over here. And then obviously your text color, your link color we'll look at now. Let's just hit save. So your link color, these are links. And they're a slightly different color to your body. So if you want to keep it consistent and keep it the same color as your body, you can do that. But I have given you the option to make your links stand out a little bit. So you can change your link color to whatever you want it to be, and your link hover color. So as you can see right now, when we hover, it turns white, but you can change that to any other color you want. Let's just change it to red so that you can really see the difference. And your hamburger color. Your hamburger is this guy over here because he looks like a hamburger. So yeah, you can change that color too. Let's hit the save button and you'll see the saves of the changes that have been made to heading, subheading. We haven't changed the text, but yeah, let's take a look in a second. Building, magnificent. Okay, let's go. So you can see colors have changed, and now when we hover over it, it turns red. So that's how you do those changes. All right. Now let's jump into background colors. So any background color, image and text background, that's this one over here. You're going to learn more about this in a second and your content blocks. So yeah, you change that over here. Project backgrounds, that's this over here. And there's a lot that you can change for projects. You've got the text background color, because you can see this, the background for the text is not the same color. So you have the option to change it. You can put it to the same color as the background if you like. And you've got the featured background color. If you don't want the middle one to stand out like it is now, you can change this color to being anything you want. You can change it to being the same color as the background, or you can keep it as a feature and make it pop. Oh, and then you've got your carousel background. This is your carousel. So yeah, if you don't want it to be one background color here, you can just change it. Super easy. We have got your form colors. So form background color, that is the background of this form section. Form arch background, that is this arch over here. You can change that. The button color, bing, all right. And the text color in the button. So if you don't want your text color to be black, you can change it to something else. You can change it to white or pink, whatever you want. All right. Let's look at navigation. We've got background color and we've got navigation arch background. This is quite similar to the form. So you've got here the background color, if you want to change it, and then the navigation arch color. This is the arch color. Okay. let's take a look at your footer background color again. This is, let's exit that. This is going to be, this is the color of the background. You can change it. Social icon color. So, oops, let's go here. These are your social icon colors. And you can change those too. Lastly, in terms of colors, you've got your media kit, which is, you can change your button and you can change the color of the button when it's hovered. All right, let's go and take a look at your pages now. Pages. Okay. Let's look at your home page, and then we're going to take a look at your media kit page. So, in every page, you have the option to update your SEO according to the kind of content that you are showing on your SEO. This title should be your business name or the name of the page. That is this guy over here. This should be your, yeah, exactly. So when you change this here, you change that there. Your description will be shown as a short paragraph when sharing to socials. Will also help you rank on Google. So make sure that you use a lot of SEO here, and in your title, this is all you want to make sure it's jam-packed with SEO stuff. Keywords, add keywords and phrases here and separate them with a comma. Social alt, for those who are visually impaired, you want to write a text. So maybe you can use your description. I normally just copy and paste my description. Featured image. So you know you get that awesome little image when you share a link to Facebook or something. Well, you can upload and choose the kind of image that you want to be featured when someone shares your website. So you upload it here. You click here, you can say upload file and choose whichever image you want. Done. Use an existing one. Let's try again. There you go. Okay. And your URL, so just change your URL here. So whatever your URL is, for example, this is mine at the moment, so I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it over there. Okay. There we go. And then you always make sure you hit the save button. Now I'm going to show you something else that's really cool. Okay, so you don't have to keep these in order. You can actually change them around. You can also add new content blocks. So if you find that this is just not enough for you and you want to keep adding more, oh, the colors look hideous, it's distracting me, I hate it. Okay, but yeah, it's necessary for the tutorial. So yeah, you can change these around. You can add another one. If we want to add another hero image or banner image, whatever you want to call, we can do that. Explore existing files and click on your images. Let's choose this pretty one over here. Select, and you don't have to, this is the hero text. So hero is the text here in the middle. If you don't want that, you don't need to use it. And link. This is something really cool. So you see here, if we click on the little hamburger here, you have to be a little bit patient because sometimes it can't figure out which you're trying to click. There you go. So the link, about, services, previews, contact. If you want this section to be a link here, you're just going to click on here and let's call it test. We're going to highlight it, link it. Now, this is really, really important. If you want this to link to a section on your page, you've got to start with tag. The tag just means icon, and I mean not icon, ID. Okay, and it's going to send when clicking on it, it's going to send it to that section on the website. Okay, we're going to call ours test. Done. Now we've got a new link on the navigation, and we're going to make this update here. And we're going to say, we want this section to link to test. Cool. And then hit the save button. You're going to see all of our changes being made. Remember, we also swapped around the content blocks. So there should be quite a few changes that have been made already. Okay, you see that? And now we've got this explore banner down here, or the hero banner, and at the bottom we'll have the other hero. Now if we click on here, and then it scrolls down to that section. Cool, hey? Okay, so you can play around with that. If you want to edit the form on the website, you can do it through here. So these are all the different blocks. So let's go over that real quick. There's two ways to update each content block. You can click on it here and explore existing, and you can change it through here. And then you hit the save button, and then it's done. So for the image and text block, we have got one for tablet. I'm going to show you here. Your website has been coded specifically for mobile and for tablet. So this is what your website will look like on tablet. And to edit this, you've got to edit. So to edit the images here, you edit the tablet images. Okay, cool. Hey, so that's for the image and text section. Let's take a look at our services. All right, so that's the projects page. So yeah, obviously here the heading is our services. Then we've got the first project, which you edit over there. Second project is the middle one, and the third one is the last one. So tapping into the middle project, super easy. You can upload a new file. It's just like how you edit all the other ones, and you can do all the same with all three of these blocks here. And the same thing, if you would like the scrolly from the navigation to link here, you put the link here. Okay, let's take a look at the carousel. The carousel, you can use it for reviews or any other text that you would like to put in. And right now you've got three options that are some of our reviews. I definitely suggest changing it. You change the text here. Symbols, you can give yourself stars, hearts, whatever you want to. And then the ending, you can use whatever you want. I've used the person's name who said the review. But yeah, if you don't want to use it as a review and you rather want to use it as a carousel block, you can do that there. You can also add more in, and it's the same thing. You put your text here, pretty straightforward. And then again, if you want it to link, you're going to put the name of the link here, and then you're also going to change the link in the navigation. Change or add. Your form, let's scroll down to your form. Okay, you don't have to have your form heading as contact. You can say, connect with me, let's chat. You can change it to whatever you want it to say. Let's chat. And then you don't need this to say basic info. You can call it basics. You just change it. Now, instead of having your name, you can change it to say anything else. You don't need it to say your name. You can just have name. You don't have to have it saying your email address. And if you don't want their WhatsApp number, but you want some other kind of contact information instead, I don't know, your IG handle, you change it over there, and always make sure to hit the save button. Let's take a look at our form. There you go, it's changed. So we can change it to let's change the bottom one. If you don't want to know their brand, you can change it to something else. What services do you require? This is the option box. It says content creation, social media, consultation, or others. You can change it here. If you're not offering consultations or content creation, you can change your services here. And again, the link option. Lastly, let's go back to pages and go, oh no, not lastly, we've got 2 more things that we want to go through. Adding a page in your media kit. As you can see, we're going over media kit. So this is what your media kit looks like. Well, this is what our media kit looks like right now because we made some changes. So you're going to click on it here and change your information. If you don't want to say Instagram, you can say something else, Facebook, and yeah, pretty straightforward. You just click on here and change all the data that you want there. And here, your link, you're going to want to get the link directly from the browser and paste it in, and then hit the save button. Okay, so that's how you change your media kit. You can also add content blocks to your media kit as well. All the same ones. Now let's look at, adding a page. You're going to click add page. What is the title of your page? Let's say, for example, services. Cool. So this is what your page will look like in the beginning because you've only got your header and your footer on the website. And you're going to say add content block. You can add, let's start with projects. You're going to upload an image. We're just going to choose anything right now. Use existing. I keep choosing the wrong one. What service do we offer? Photography and something here. And you're going to upload, you can upload all of them. Let's do it really quickly. Select, hey, what up? Okay, let's go into here, images, and the cactus. Videography and hey. Cool. What do we want this to say? Our heading is going to be services. And then you go and hit save. There you go. And our page has been built. Now, what you're going to want to do is, remember, we need to link it. So we need to click on this little guy over here. Okay. And we're going to add it. And because this is a page and not a section on the page, we're going to say services. We're going to highlight it. We're going to link it. And we're not going to use the hashtag. Don't use the hashtag. Hashtag is only to make it scroll to a section. Link to another page. Oh, there you go. Instead of typing services, you can actually just click the page there. That's better and easier to do. Save. Let's refresh. Okay. Let's have a look here. Click on here. Services. And there you go. Yay, there's your website. And there you have it. That's how simple and easy it is to create your own website with this amazing hybrid template. So you guys go ahead and start making yours. I hope that yours looks way better than the one that we just did together. Wow, those colors were hideous. So please make sure your branding is on point. I don't want to see ugly templates coming from you guys. But yeah, that's how simple it is to use, and I hope you